Hey guys, I just wanted to explain this for you since we've never used this website before. So for social studies tomorrow, well actually today, sorry, I'm recording this the day before. It's a review for the test. You're going to be having, it's more like a quiz, but for the social studies, everything we've learned so far on Thursday. So for the activating strategy, look closely at this, and they're asking for a title. So again, here's the Padlet at the plus, and just tell me what would be the title of this picture. That's the only thing you're officially going to be turning in. In the independent practice, I just kind of wanted to show you because we've never used this website. I don't think you have to create an account, but just let me know if you do. I don't think you do. These are all like 10 little practice questions. I think you can just go through and click what you think, and it will show you the answers if you click right here. Or I kind of like this practice. You go up here and say practice with the green, and it says play. And it kind of looks like a game. So you can have it read aloud to you if you want. There you can have the timer on or off if you don't want that. And then again, you just say play quiz, and it's the questions. That it's just like a fun way to kind of review. Okay, so again, there's the question. I'm going to X out of this though so you can hear me. But that's what you're doing for social studies today. And everything else should be pretty normal. Just let me know if you have any questions. Okay.